Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Lamborghini Gallardo LP574 Superleggera, and this is by RMZ City. So in India it is imported by Reliance. So till now it is getting imported by Reliance only. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I bought this sometime back actually, from I think Slam Wheels. So I bought it for just like 150 rupees or so. So let's unbox and see how it actually looks. I'm actually pretty excited to see this. Okay, so here it is. 1 second guys, let me just adjust my lighting here. Okay, I hope it is better now. Okay, so here is a closer look of it. So okay, the first impression of this car is like, it looks nice and it doesn't have weight at all. So it does feel like a basic Hot Wheel car. Actually the body is made of metal and it does have rear view mirrors here, as you can see. So in the bottom you can see the logo RMZ City and the car's name here. And it has good detailing on the bottom, and it has a screw here, you can mount it on a display. The logo placement is a bit weird, but it looks okay, and it has some paint bubbling here. Again, this is not a new one, it is a bit old one, and I bought it from them. So don't expect very new in condition. And so the headlights and taillights both are painted, and the spoiler is actually made of plastic. So I don't see any detailing on the interior here, but since it is fully tinted out. Okay, one thing I can see is it has some provision here. I think that is for suspension. Let's just test it out. No, it is not suspension. I'm not sure what it is, but there is a provision here, and it is can able to press it a little bit. Not sure what it does. Maybe it is once you remove this chassis, I think you can just remove the axles from the chassis. I think that is for that, I guess. Okay, fine. So let's have a closer look first. So it does have some kind of paint issues here. So I don't know the original price of this, for how much they actually sold it back then when it got actually released. So let me see that case which I just threw it out, which year it actually got manufactured. Let's see if there is anything here. Okay, I don't see any manufacturing year here. Just say Reliance, but I bought this last year actually, so I didn't open it because I was getting new stuff and it was really good, so I thought of opening those. Okay, I don't know the year on this one. Okay, let it be. Okay, let's do a roll test as usual. Okay, it rolls okay. It is not really that good, but it rolls okay. As you can see, the entire body actually rolls like this a lot. And one other thing is, so the wheels are actually smaller than the rims, and it is not actually a perfect match. So I'm pretty sure, if the wheels could be a little bit bigger, it would be a very good piece. And there are no details here as well. Okay, I bought this because it's a Lamborghini, that's it. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.